This is a quick tutorial on how to do a hard reset on the Awsom units. First, make sure that the nameplate is on your right hand side. Undo the 6 screws on the bottom there and carefully lift off that lid. You will see 2 green plugs, one there and one there. First thing we have to do is to very carefully loosen that one and pull it off, and very carefully loosen that one. I couldn't do it with one hand. Right, next thing we have to do is to wait. This makes sure that all the capacitors will be discharged and the unit really will be off. Next thing we have to do is to make sure the sun is falling on the solar cells. Well, it's not like that, but if I put the solar cell like that, the sun will be able to get to it. Next thing we do is we plug in the battery is number 1. I don't know whether you saw that flashed once. And secondly, we plug in the solar cell. Now comes the difficult time of waiting for 33 minutes or more. I'm not going to wait 33 minutes. It'd be worse than watching paint dry. But we need that sun falling on the unit. We need to make sure that those wires are not trapped at all, because once this gets water in it, that's a good night, Mr. Chips. Okay, right, now we wait 33 minutes and then we get the black backed cloth and cover it up for 2 minutes or more, and it should send me a text.